everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Fanttik B10 Pro Max electric air duster. So inside, it comes with the user guide. You get the air duster, a storage pouch, USB-C cable for charging. Then you get the various attachments, which I'll go over in a few here. A lanyard, and some brushes. Briefly going over some specs, this has a max airspeed of 65 meters per second. The motor speed is 130,000 RPMs. A battery capacity of 4,000 milliamp hours, 28.8 watt hours. Rated voltage is 7.2 volts. Charging input 5 volts, 2 amps. It's palm size, measuring at 5.6 by 3 by 1.6 inches. It has multiple uses for leaves, snow, car interior, outdoor, for your desk setup, your workbench, PC cleaning, for swimming pool rings, and for air beds, just to name a few. So looking at the air duster, you can see that it's very light and pretty compact. You got the Fanttik branding on the side here. And then you have the controls on the side, on the right side, where you got the power button and then an LCD display, and then your up and down arrow to increase and decrease the speed. The left hand side here, you have a max button, and then you also have an LED light. So you have the input and then the air output. On the bottom, you can see the USB-C charge port. So going over the attachments, you have a long nozzle, you have a short nozzle, you also have a airbed nozzle, and then you have a nozzle for your swimming pool ring devices. Then you have a hard brush and a soft brush. Attaching the nozzles is simple. Basically it just twists on like so. And this is with the short nozzle. And just taking some quick measurements, you can see it's about 5.5 inches long, and it weighs in at roughly 331 grams. So turning it on, just press the power button on the side here, and then you can see right now it's on 100% as far as the battery life. Pressing the arrow, you can see the speed. So this is on speed 1. Speed 2, 3, 4, and 5. So very powerful. And then in the front here, you have the LED light, which is on. To toggle that on and off, just press the power button once, and now it's off. Press it again to turn it back on. You also have a max button here, so if you hold that down, it will instantly go to the max mode. So let's see how it does outside. I'm gonna blow some debris. All right, let's test it outside. You can see that there's some debris on the driveway here. We got a few leaves. So I'm gonna turn it on right now. And then let's set it to level, let's go to level 5. You can see it's blowing the debris, and I'm going to press the max button in the front here. Let's go to the max mode now. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and attach the nozzle. I've attached the short nozzle. Let's turn it back on. Again, this is level 1, level 2, level 3, 4, and 5. So you can see it's moving the leaves here. I'm going to press the max button now and hold it down. So it's doing a fairly good job for its compact size. So if it's able to move this debris, it should have no problems clearing any dust if you're dusting your office, the keyboard, computer, and whatnot. So there you have it. That's a look at the Fanttik B10 Pro Max electric air duster. Very versatile and powerful air duster. You can use it to clean and also inflate your inflatables with the attachments. I've left a link in the description box below if you want to check it out.